Hi, I'm Patrick Scott. I'm a fellow at Lockheed Martin. I worked on a number of different programs. And this is an example of one of the programs that I worked on. This is called the Wide Field of View Camera. It reads the mail as it's being sorted at the post office. This is one of the first ones that we built, and this is one of the last ones that we built. And you can see there's a lot more complexity in this first one, and this one's a lot more efficient and easy to build. Important skills that I use, well, the engineering ability that I learned in college and in high school. You have to be able to read engineering drawings, interpret the numbers on them.
My name is Tom Revere. I think the cool thing about manufacturing is every day I come in here, it's always something different. I get to do tons of different things every day. I kind of liken it to building with like Legos. You guys like Legos? You know, I get to build circuit boards here, so I think that's what the cool part about it is.
My name is Genevieve Wilson, and my job is engineering support. The coolest thing about manufacturing is you never stop learning. That, in my opinion, is probably the coolest thing, because even in the 25 years, everything you think you know in 5 years will be not knowledge anymore, so you have to relearn it again. In my opinion, that's the coolest thing, is you never stop learning.
My name is Pete Ziokowski, and I'm the manager of a process and materials engineering group here at Lockheed Martin Rotary Mission Systems. Well, I think what's cool about manufacturing is that we actually build something. At the end of the day, we have things that we touch, that we build, that really truly help a lot of brave men and women do their job more effectively. You could ask me the question of what's the coolest thing I ever helped made? And I would tell you that I helped build components for the Mars rover, and something I helped made is on Mars. And also I helped make things for the Cassini space probe. And so something I helped made is at the edge of the solar system. So I think that's pretty cool.
Thank you, Lockheed Martin.